What a magical, terrific Thursday this has turned out to be. We started off with a gap up. You had two big events which were posing to be overhangs for equity markets. A, of course, news flow on Evergrande. B, you had the FOMC meeting as well, which got done. Nothing new really came out. The Fed indicating that it's going to hike rates, and that's going to be in a very, very calibrated manner. They're still pretty much in wait and watch approach, and that's exactly what the markets wanted to hear. Two big overhangs done with. It was a sigh of relief, not just for us, for global equity markets as well. So gap up start only got stronger, and look at the kind of move that you had after that near about 100-point move that we actually opened the day with. We closed in with a 268-point solid move coming in on the Nifty futures alone, and we've closed in at a record high for ourselves. 17,836 is the print that the Nifty shut shop the day with. Not just that, look at the move on the Sensex. Believe it or not, we are just about 100 points away from 60,000 on the Sensex. You heard me right, 60,000. I think it's just a matter of time. Optically, we're already there. So hopefully positive global cues, supportive ones at that tomorrow morning, and we should hit that mark in opening bell itself. The Nifty, or rather the Sensex and the Nifty, both did try and make a fair attempt at clawing up even further. But a 950-point rally on the Sensex intraday today, that doesn't give you any reason to complain at all whatsoever. Not just that, look at the kind of market breadth that you had. Not just that there were 135 movers within the F&O segment standing to the advances and just 40 to the decline. It's the extent of the move that you had on the advances which was most heartening. So Bajaj Finance held out by about 3% or so. Bajaj Finserv was the top mover on the index with a 5% near about move on the futures, and Bajaj Finserv is now sitting at 18,000 rupees per share. Who would have thought that it's going to clock these levels looking at its March 2020 lows, right? Hindalco, Nalco, both these stocks were jumping up after aluminum prices did see an uptick of further 3% overnight. Hindalco went home with a 4.5% uptick, and then of course I have to talk about the real estate and the reopened trade. Both these themes shown very, very smartly. Look at the move coming in on a Godrej Properties, a 12% uptick coming in on the stock, and this is in addition to a double-digit move that it already had yesterday. DLF has managed to climb another 9%, and then the entire reopened trade has really emerged smartly. Hotel stocks were in any case doing very well. Indian Hotels has seen a very big spurt, but today you had the liquor stocks as well jump into the bandwagon. Most of these names were holding out very well. Along with the realty theme, what's also come to the fore is the entire HFC market. So everything from an HDFC to a Piramal Enterprises to an Indiabulls Housing Finance, all these stocks as well held out very, very smartly. Big boys like L&T as well chipped into the rally with a 3.5% uptick. Reliance is already sitting at record highs. That stock as well held out very, very smartly in today's trading session. Private banking names like a Kotak, Axis, SBI as well participated in today's move. I think the messaging is really clear. While yes, the FII participation has been extremely strong month to date, but you know what? We can go alone. It's really been about the retail investors which have participated and which have been the biggest beneficiaries of the last move of the rally. Talk about the demat numbers or the SIP numbers that you're seeing for even the month gone by, and I'm not even talking about this month. They're all data points which are indicating that it's the retail investors which has had the last laugh and thoroughly enjoyed the party that D Street has had to offer so far for us.